Hi everyone! Welcome back to Ink and Starlight BJD. It is Julia and I'm here today with an unboxing. This is the first time I filmed in a little while. There's been a lot of stuff just kind of going on with life, which is the case for everybody, I think. And I'm really excited to open this package because it's a needed pick-me-up. It's a much needed pick-me-up. And this doll came to me all the way from Australia. That's a very long journey. And this was, of course, a secondhand market find. So I'm really excited that this doll has made a journey to now live here with me in my collection. So I'm gonna go ahead. We're going to just open this box and see what doll excitement awaits within. This is really specific, but I love when packages are wrapped with, like, I guess this would be, I think every region, depending on where you live, you might have a different name for this. I call this paper butcher's paper. I know some people might call it parchment paper, but that's not right. I know what parchment paper is, but this isn't it. It's just, I don't know. I really like it. I feel like, yes, like cozy packages are supposed to be delivered wrapped in parchment paper. It's getting me excited for the holidays, which are, I mean, they're not super far off, but they're far off enough to where it's slightly unreasonable to be thinking about the holidays. All right. Set that to the side. Let's see if I can do this without scissors. I don't know which is the right way. This seems to be the right way. All right. Yeah, I really should have grabbed scissors before I sat down, but it's too late now. We are in this together. Or not. All right, back to business. Normally, and I know Hannah does this too, we have like the tape off of the packages and everything, just because it's cumbersome to open on camera. But I was charmed by the brown paper wrapping of this package from far away, and I wanted to open it on camera. So while I'm at it, yes, you already know what this is. I couldn't resist. This was found, I think Hannah and I both found the listing, but the listing was on eBay. And I have only seen this doll like in the archives of Den of Angels. Very, very long time ago. I don't know when the doll was initially released. I could find out, but I saw and I just knew that this doll had to come home to me. Now I can tell, I can tell we are definitely kind of stepping back in time a little bit. Fairyland's boxes, up until about a year or two ago, used to be pink and purple. Now, a lot of times, at least for Pukifee, they are white. This is like a very, this is gonna spark another debate. To me, this is blue. Like a seafoam blue, or a seafoam green, I guess. But this is a different color than usual. And the, oh my gosh, can we Can we take a minute to appreciate this very old Fairyland box? This is beautiful. I don't save all of my doll boxes, just because if I did, I would have boxes everywhere. But this one, I think is gonna be saved. This is so pretty. A nice little, the embossing is pretty, so pretty. This reminds me of like an opal gemstone. But enough of that, let's see what's inside. Open up. Set that stuff aside. Okay. Guys, this is, oh my gosh. Okay, let's start with the doll. Wow, packed so carefully. Oh my goodness. Look at little Pukifee Zio. Oh, look at that little face. So sweet. Oh my goodness. I love the way, and I'll take pictures of course, the way the lips are puckered on the sculpt is darling. So cute. Oh, we're losing the face. So sweet. Oh, I love the face up. I think this is the company face up. I could be completely wrong. I wonder if you are a boy or a girl. I've said in previous videos unboxing Pukifee that most Pukifee to me read feminine. I did just get a Tika that read as more masculine, and that is the first time that's ever happened. I'm unsure with this one. My first instinct when I saw pictures in the listing was, oh, that's a boy. But now I'm not so sure. This doll feels like the spiritual predecessor to Kaka with that little pouty pout. So let's get into clothes and accessories. We've got a blue wig. Oh, and this is a full set. So all of these, so yeah, that has to be the company face up. If this is a full set. Yeah. So company face up, most likely, full set. Adorable, adorable blue wig. Purple? No, blue. Comment below what color you think this wig is. I think it's blue. That's so cute. Cute, cute, cute. Like a little, almost like a mullet situation going on. Put that there. Here. Oh my gosh, I can't handle the shoes. Pukifee shoes. I can't take the cuteness. They're just too adorable. Look at these little boots. Oh. So sweet. Hannah's gonna be obsessed with these. She's not here with me, but I know she will see the shoes and they will make her very happy. And now we have the clothes. So this doll, I don't know exactly, but I believe Fairyland did some sort of like carnival, potentially circus, carnival or circus like release, and there were 3 Pukifees included that were like part of this like carnival or circus theme. And this little guy, you know what? I think, yeah, Guy feels right. This little gentleman has a little jester fit. little Harlequin fit. Here's the pants. I'm pretty positive this is a head or neck ruffle. I will find out which. These sets, sometimes they throw me for a loop. But I will find out what this is. It's so cute. These clothes are such high quality. I've heard that Fairyland, their full sets recently have been of mixed quality, but I hope they get their act together. There's a little jester. This, I think, yep, this clasps around the neck. Wow. These clothes are such high quality. I hope you can see. There's very cool shirt. And oh my gosh, this is, hold on, can you hear this? I really hope you can hear that. This has actual bells. The jester hat has actual little dingly bells on it. Ah! My day has just improved so much. Shout out to Jingly Bell hat. And then these socks. Striped socks. Adorable. I do think we have some extra parts in here. Yes, we have, oh wow, we have a sleeping faceplate. Oh, I must not have processed that in the listing. Wow, so cute. Unfortunately, I don't really use sleeping faceplates. I like my dolls to be awake, but that is a cute one. That bag is empty. And then we have some hands. Oh, and extra magnets, nice. Oh, yeah, extra hands right in here. Very cool, very cool. Oh, this sleeping plate. And then of course, like extra magnets, which I'm not even gonna say anything. I was gonna say I don't think Fairyland does that anymore, but I'm probably wrong. Box is empty. Oh my goodness. Again, another moment for the box, please. This is beautiful. Love it. Let's pull this over. We'll whoop. Back to the center. Oh my goodness. This sleeping faceplate is making me want to put sleeping faceplates on my dolls. But that's not the thing I usually do. My dolls are awake. I've actually been thinking about selling my Pukifee faceplates, sleeping faceplates, because I have a lot of them. Some are painted and some are unpainted. So if you're interested in a Pukifee faceplate, sleeping faceplate, let me know. We always keep our social media contact information in the description box, so feel free to pop down and take a look at that. I've been getting more and more people messaging me saying, oh, I saw your video, like your video was great, and that makes me so happy. That's what Hannah and I really want to do. We want to reach people and just like entertain and explore the love of dolls together. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy dressed, and I will pop back with some close-up video so you can see his outfit. I'm so excited.